Brown, T-Pain, you heard it here first. Happy Blood Radio.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay Primer Potion on my lids. Next, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Modern Renaissance, my favorite. And I'm going to use Burnt Orange in my crease as my transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go into this Urban Decay Jean-Michel Basquiat palette. It's so pretty. I love the colors. So I'm going to take Neo and I'm going to put that into my crease and smoke my eyes out just a little bit with this color. So now I have that purple in there. I'm going to go on my lid with this green color called Graffiti. Really nice army money green type of green. So I'm going to pack that onto my lid. So I'm going to take my Professional primer from Benefit and just prime my face.
What you need, brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain, you heard it here first. Happy Blood Radio.
I just squeezed concealer into my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 450. And I like doing my concealer first. I see people put their foundation in their concealer, but for me it's just a habit to do this and then my foundation. I don't know why. There's no rhyme or reason to it, honestly. It's just the way that I do it. So, look, while I was putting on my foundation, don't come for me, okay? Because I noticed my eyebrows are a little bit different today. But my eyebrows are shaped different anyways, so don't come for me and ask me why it look like I'm about to ask a question, okay? Okay. So I'm gonna take the Black Opal Deluxe Setting Powder in the shade Medium Light and just set my under eye area with it. And per usual, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact to set my makeup. This is actually a really good dupe for mineralized skin finish from MAC. Okay, so back to the eyes now. I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lash line with the same purple I used on top. Now I'm going to put some eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Like my favorite eyeliner ever. Okay, so I'm going to finish off my face with just some highlighter. This is the Mean Money Hustler Baby highlighter duo from Fenty Beauty. I really usually do not do this, but I don't know, I'm feeling a little extra fleeky today. Now what I won't be doing is putting on any blush. Not for any kind of reason, but I just don't feel like wearing blush, and I don't contour and all that. So just a personal preference. I don't always wear blush. I don't really contour and hide. You know what I mean? Like, I just usually do my under eye area. So now for the lips, I'm gonna take this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Club Hopper. I'm just gonna line my lips real quick. And then I'm gonna apply my Bare Minerals matte lipstick in the shade Boss. Alright guys, so that's it for my Get Ready With Me for Sephora. I hope you guys like it. I just want to do something simple and fun with some color. I love color, so I just wanted to put some color on my face and just show you guys what it looks like to do a typical day of Sephora and pull your makeup. Alright guys, till next time, bye.